Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A while back, I made a video about rounding corners of an object like this. You know, you can do a rectangle by rounding corners like this, but in a other shape than a rectangle, you can't. Well, in that video, I showed where you go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. But in older versions of Corel, it's not called Corners. It's actually called, and it's typed out, fillet, scallop, and chamfer. So when you go to Windows, Dockers, right in here, it'll say fillet, scallop, and chamfer. That will be the same. It'll come up with the same Docker. I know it's in X7 because I still have an X7 on an old computer, and I just double checked. So you do have it. It just, Corel changed the name, and I agree kind of with this name because it is the corner, but it does the same thing. So when you open up this corner, it'll say fillet, scallop, and chamfer. I can't reply to him for some reason. I hope he will watch this video. Thank you for watching.